Hello. Got a spare moment, thought I'd do a narrated Sudoku. So, usual ground rules apply. What we're trying to do is go through the thought process of how to solve these things in case you are having trouble with them. Okay? So, where do we start? We always start in the same place. Pick up the easy ones. So, single cell numbers like there, like 9. Then where you've got a pair where there's only one solution, like 4. Like 3, which solves that already. What else? There we go, up there. Easy and obvious remainders. So here's an easy and obvious remainder, which is that up here, remember, it's 1 to 9 in every square and along every 9. That means they also have to add up to 45. So here, we've got 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 plus 18 is 28. So that right there, that's going to be 5. Oh, hang on. No, I'm losing my mind again. 18 plus 13 is 31. 31 thought, yes, 55. Ha! Not losing my mind. Not yet, at least. Okay. So, what am I missing here? So, because we've got 1 here, that means if you've got any of these ones where there's usually 2 pairs, so it's, so 3 and 4 are the ones where there's only one solution. 5 and 6 are where they've got 2 solutions, and at the top end you got the same with 17 and 16, and then 15 and 14. So if you get one thing goes across it, then that kind of makes it so it's got one solution. Because of that, this 6 here couldn't be 2 and 4, and that couldn't be 1. It can only be 5 in there, which means that's 1. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look here. So 20 plus 3, 23 plus 13. That's 36, which means this is 9. 9. 1, 2, can't be 7 and 8, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 4, 5, and 6. That is 3, 4, and 5. 8, 13 plus 24 is 37. 37 is remainder 7. So that is going to be 1 and 6. 3 and 4. Okay. 17 plus 10 is 27, plus 10 more is 37, so 57. So if this is 57, then this and this has got to be 12. It means 4, 5, 7, and 8. 4, 4, 5, 7, and 8 can't be 3 because that's cutting across it. But then also 4, 5, 7, and 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. So we've got a quad. Which means that this number over here has to be 6, 3, 4, 1, and 3. Did I get something wrong? $37. Yes, I did get something wrong. Okay. So that means that there is a 9. Just by process of elimination. Come on, good. Okay, that can't be 5 because it's in a 10. Which means that can't be 7. So 4 and 6, 7 and 3 and 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we've got an internal pair here, okay? 19 plus 10. So 19 plus 10 is 29, plus 9 more, 38. 38, remainder 7. So that'd be 2 and 5, or 3 and 4. Okay, so 9, that means this is 11, no. 5, this means it's going to be 4, 6, 7, and 9. 4, 6, 7, and 9. Okay. I'm just looking at this 10, because what can go in this cell? It can't be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 is not going to fit anyway. 6, 7, and 8. So 6, 7, and 8. Which means this is 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we can solve this. So it's going to be 6 plus 26 is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38, plus 10, 48, and then minus the 7. So 41. So this is going to be a 4. So that's a 6. That's a 2. That's a 4. That's a 3. So that's a 3. And that's a 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 6 and 8. Okay, so down here, so we've got 11 plus 4 is 15 plus 17 is 32, which means that this is 13. So that would be 5 and 8, 8 and 5, 7 and 6. So what's left over? So if this is 6, then it would be 11. So it'd be 4 and 7, can't be 4 and 7. 5 and 6 can't be 5 and 6, or it'd be 8 and 3. Can't be that, so this can't be 6. Which means that this is 4. Means that's 8. 2. Okay, so 4 and 8 is 12, so that's a 5. 7, 6, 5, which means that this is, as I suspected, 2 and 9. Number up there is 6. Scanning says that's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9 means that's 2. That's 9. Okay, so scanning says that this is 1. 2. So what's going to go up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 6 and 5. Then that's got to be an 8. So it's 2 and 7 is what's left over. Okay, excellent. Let's do that. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. This has got to be 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this has got to be 4. No. So that's 9. That's going to be 11. So this is 4. Because there's a 7 up here. 6. That's got to be 9 and 4 based on what's left. 8 and 9 based on what's left. Well, actually based on scanning, but hey. Okay, up here. 1 has to go, can't go in here. So 9 can't go in there. 9 has to go in here. 1. Okay. Now, this 8 can't be 1, can't be 2. 3 and 5. 3 is going in there, so this is 5. This is 3. Tidy up the bottom of the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be 6 and 7. That's going to be 6 and 7. Well, it can't be 7 because it can't be 4. So this has got to be 6. That's 7. So this is 2. This is 5. Okay. Scanning says that that's a 5 and that's a 5. So that's an 8 and that's an 8. Okay, so what's left over here? 4 and 9. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So what we got left here? So, okay, if this is 9, then 1 can't go in 18. This will have to be 1. Oh yeah, because of scanning as well. So, 1 in there and there. 2 and then 3. 3 goes here. 7 goes in there, so that's 3. That's 8. 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 6. So this is going to be a... Okay, so up here we've got as one solution, which is 9, which means that down the bottom's 4. 9. That's 9. Got rid of all the 9s. Bit of scanning says this is 8. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 1. So all the 1s are gone. 8 plus 1 means that this is a 6. If that's a 6, then that's a 6, which means that 6 plus 5 is 11, so that's a 7. 2 and 7. Scanning says that this is a 2, as is this. So what's left over? So 9 plus 9 plus 2 means this is 4. And that's 4 up there. Then we're left with 3 and 7. Nice and neat and tidy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Anyway, that is basically the explanation of how I got there. Anyway, if hopefully that helped you, and if not, well, keep watching. Maybe I help you somehow the way. And yeah, catch you on the next one.